311. What types of documents are considered to be evidence of final inspection or acceptance?
Evidence of final inspection or acceptance may consist of one or more of the following documents. Receiving report. The Corps, as the official authorized to accept supplies or services for the government, signs the receiving report. This report is usually considered written evidence of final acceptance. The Department of Defense, DoD, uses DD Form 250, Material Inspection and Receiving Report, for formal acceptance. Other agencies usually have their own unique forms for this purpose, as found in agency FAR supplements. Copy of an invoice, or voucher. An invoice or voucher, signed by an authorized official, can serve as an acceptance document, if permitted by the contract. Commercial bill of lading. Under a commercial bill of lading, CBL, the transportation carrier is responsible to the contractor for any damage or loss, and the contractor, in turn, is responsible to the government. Under contract terms, a CBL usually signifies that the government is responsible for reimbursing the contractor the cost of freight charges. Government bill of lading. Under a government bill of lading, GBL, the transportation carrier is responsible to the government for any damage and loss, and the government pays the transportation charges directly to the commercial carrier. Certificate of Conformance, COC. At the discretion of the CO, in accordance with FAR 46.315, the FAR Clause 52.24615, which includes specific wording for the COC, may be included in the contract when it is preferable to have the option to use a COC instead of source inspection. The decision to use the COC is generally made when the items to be delivered are low dollar amount and not critical in terms of acceptance requirements. Reliance on the COC reduces government inspection costs. When using a COC as evidence of final inspection, the Corps should confirm that acceptance on the basis of a contractor's COC is in the government's interest. Small losses would be incurred in the event of a defect. The contractor's past performance reputation makes it likely that deliverables will be acceptable and any defective work will be replaced or corrected without contest. Even with a COC, the government still retains the right to inspect the deliverables,